You think you know your iPhone? Think again. Beneath the shiny screen and polished interface lies a hidden secret menu that even most Apple users have never seen. It's not in Settings, not in Control Center, but it's there, buried deep inside your phone. Today, we're unlocking the mysterious world of the iPhone's secret codes and hidden menus Apple never told you about. Part 1: The Hidden Code. It all starts with your phone app. Just like dialing a number, type in this code. Backhand index pointing right 3001 #12345 and then press call. Suddenly your screen changes. No more icons, no fancy colors, just raw technical data. Welcome to Field Test Mode, a secret diagnostic menu built for Apple engineers and network technicians. This hidden mode shows you information your normal signal bars can't, like real-time network strength, tower connections, and cell IDs. Part 2: What it really does. In Field Test Mode, your iPhone reveals its inner secrets. You can see signal strength measured in dBm, a more accurate number than the simple 5 bars you see on screen. You can check LTE bands, network frequencies, and even which cell tower your phone is currently connected to. This mode was originally made for engineers testing signal coverage, but now you can explore it too. And yes, it still works on most modern iPhones running iOS 17 and beyond. Part 3: More hidden codes. But that's not the only secret. Apple devices have a few other hidden codes that open up menus you've never used. ##06# instantly shows your IMEI number. ##21# checks if your calls or messages are being forwarded. ##31# hides or reveals your caller ID. #50057672 shows your message center number. These codes were designed for testing and carrier use, but they can be incredibly useful for advanced users who want more control. Part 4: The Secret Within the Secret. There's one more hidden area many users don't know: the developer mode. By enabling it through your settings, under Privacy and Security, you can unlock access to advanced tools, USB debugging, and app testing features. It's not meant for casual users, but it's proof that your iPhone has layers of power beneath its simple design. So the next time you use your iPhone, remember, there's a whole world under the surface. A secret menu, hidden codes, and functions Apple rarely mentions. Now you know the truth behind the iPhone's secret menu you've never seen before. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.